Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility. Your Netflix plan must support HDR and your display must advertise HDR10 or Dolby Vision. Next, check physical connections, use HDMI 2.0 or newer or DisplayPort with high-speed certified cables. Once done, make sure display HDR mode is enabled in the monitor or TV settings so the device can announce HDR to the source. Finally, sign into Netflix and prepare to select HDR content. This first phase gets everything ready so streaming can deliver higher dynamic range. You now configure the streaming source. Go to System Display Settings and set resolution and refresh rate to your TV or monitor's native values, because mismatched output can block HDR. Then enable HDR output. On PCs, toggle HDR in Windows Display Settings. On consoles, enable 4K HDR output in System Video Options. Make sure the Netflix app and device firmware are up to date. Outdated software often prevents HDR negotiation. Once these steps are applied, Netflix can detect and deliver HDR streams correctly. You finish by selecting a confirmed HDR movie or show. Netflix labels titles with Dolby Vision or HDR. While playing Open Playback Info, on many devices, a little HDR badge or diagnostic will confirm the stream's dynamic range. If HDR does not appear, first restart the streaming device and TV, receipt, or replace the HDMI cable, and ensure the Netflix plan is correct. If problems persist, update drivers or firmware and try a different HDMI port or device. This often resolves handshake or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.